Your brain has rules. Here's how to hack them. Your brain is lying to you right now, every single day. It convinces you that the hard thing is actually impossible when the truth is it's just running an old program. Scientists have spent decades figuring out the exact rule your brain follows. And once you know them, you can literally hijack your own habit. Stick with me 5 minutes because rule number 3 is the one nobody talk about. And it's the reason you keep quitting things. Your brain isn't trying to sabotage you. It's just old school. It's wired for survival, not for finally starting that side project you keep putting off. So instead of fighting it, we are gonna work with its rules. Let's get into it. Rule number 1. The brain crave patterns. Your brain runs on something neuroscientists call the habit loop. Cue, routine, reward, research and confirm in MIT studies on the basal ganglia, the part of your brain that store habits on autopilot. Here's the deal, your brain loves not thinking. Thinking burns your energy. So it automates anything you repeat. That's why bad habit feels so easy. They are literally groove into your neural pathways like a well-worn trail in the woods. Practical tip: don't try to delete bad habit. You can't. Instead, keep the same cue and reward, but swap the routine. Stress cue, you smoke, routine, you feel calm, reward. Instead, stress cue, you do breath for 60 seconds, new routine, you feel calm, reward. Same loop, new middle. Rule number 2. Motivation is a myth. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Motivation doesn't come before action. It comes after. This is backed by research. A dopamine from Stanford neuroscientist Andrew Huberman. Dopamine spike when you take the first small step. So waiting to feel motivated is basically waiting for a bus that already left. Practical tip: use the 2-minute rule. Wanna read more? Don't say read for an hour. Say read one page, one walking. Just put your shoes. Your brain resists big ask but barely notice tiny ones. And once you start momentum, dopamine kicks in naturally. Rule number 3. Your brain protect comfort, not progress. This is the one people skip. Your brain has a built-in system called the amygdala, and its one job is to keep you safe. So anything new, uncertain or hard, it reads that as a threat and floats you with resist, doubt, even anxiety. That I don't feel like it feeling before a workout or a hard task, that's not laziness. That literally your amygdala trying to protect you from the change itself. Practical tip: label it. Research on affect labeling, UCLA, Dr. Matthew Lieberman, shows that simply naming your emotion, saying I am feeling resistance instead of just feeling it, calms the amygdala down almost instantly. It moves the activity from the emotional brain to the logical brain. Try it next time you wanna quit something. Rule number 4. Repetition rewires the brain. This is the neuroplasticity, your brain ability to physically reshape itself based on what you repeat every time you do something. It strengthens that neural pathway. Do it enough and it becomes automatic. This is where the kind of misunderstood 21 days to build a habit comes from real research. University College London says it's closer to 66 days, way more than perfection. Practical tip: don't aim for a perfect streak, aim for never miss twice. Miss one day, fine. Miss two, that's when the habit dies. Protect the streak, not the perfect. So here your brain, it runs on loops, not willpower. Motivation comes from action, not before it. It resists change to protect you, not to stop you, and it rewires itself every time you repeat something. You don't need more discipline. You need to understand the rules of the game you are already playing. Train the brain, don't fight it. If this help you see your brain differently, click the subscribe button. I am breaking down more science-backed brain hacks like this every day. So hit the subscribe button.